Do you want the door to open? To a better job, to a bigger income, the fresh start that you have been ready for? This rune formula was made to open this possibility, and I'll show you how to use it in the end of the video. This rune formula consists out of 4 runes. The first rune is the rune Dagas, a rune of the new beginning, rune of a new stage in your life, or rune of significant improvement. So don't use this rune if you want to keep your job and remain in your current state. This rune will force you onto a new path in life. The next rune is the rune Fehu, is the rune of the material energy, a rune of wealth, a rune of finances. This rune will attract possibilities, those you will be able to use later on. The rune Urus is the rune of the physical presence, rune of manifestation, one of the strongest rune of manifestation, and it will help to materialize all these energies. And the fourth rune is the rune Otala, is the rune of wealth and a rune of inheritance, but also it is related to a significant material wealth and significant material presence, meaning that the results of this formula will move you towards acquiring these types of energies and these types of qualities in your destiny. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of these runes, I will go through a powerful and positive transformation in my financial area. These runes works in the most safest way possible for me, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper. Then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.